Welcome! In front of me I have REALME Watch 2 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this device. Let's start by waking up the screen on our watch. To do it, press the side button. After you wake up the screen, swipe right on the screen to open the quick panel. And here on the quick panel we have a brightness icon, screen brightness icon, the one with the sun on it. To change the brightness, simply tap on this icon, and you can keep tapping on it to cycle through different levels of brightness. We have 20, 40%, 60%, 80%, and 100%. Select the level of brightness you like, and you can press the side button to go back to watch face. You can also change the screen brightness through settings. So let's swipe upwards on the screen to open the menu, scroll down, and tap on the settings icon to open the settings. In settings we can select display, then tap on brightness, and here we can scroll up and down through the options. Select the brightness you like to use and tap on the check mark to confirm. And once you're done, you can press the side button a couple of times to go back to home screen. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness level on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.